Just a quick update, the doors are deadened. Oh, not the rears yet, I'm going to do that now. I just got to put the door trim back on. This one's... I've got the Solidus Super Shield, another bulk pack. So I haven't done the rears. I'm going to do the rear doors after. Oh yeah. New head unit is in with steering wheel controls. Yeah, the only problem I had I couldn't fit the RE audio speakers. They were like 10 centimeters deep. They got 10 centimeter mounting depth. Yeah, I know. Hang on. They got a 10 centimeter mounting depth, or 9.2 centimeters or something. And I tried adding the MDF braces, but I couldn't get the door trim back on. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So I'll stay with these coaxials for now. So I got a sound comp coming up. So these two front doors are done. And you'll see in the sub and everything. There's nothing left to do except for carpet this box. Amps and everything is done. So yeah, that's about it. And I'll figure out for the speakers, or I'll get new ones or something. So yeah, thanks for watching.